In a previous video, I really wanted to try microwaving a watermelon. Today, I get to.
All right, guys, real quick before we get into the video, big news, Grant's book, 52 Random Weekend Projects, is now available. If you are one of the people in the US or Canada that pre-ordered a book and submitted your receipt for the signed copy, keep an eye out in the mail. We're going to be sending you a signed book plate insert that you can put right into your book. We are very excited, it's finally live. If you haven't ordered one yet, head down to the description, click the link to order yours today. A while ago, we were discussing watermelons and microwaves. I don't exactly remember why, but it came up that Callie wanted to microwave a whole watermelon.
The comment section went nuts and I was thrilled. It was just, Nate, let her microwave a watermelon. Guys, why aren't you microwaving watermelon?
Well, we have a microwave and we've got a watermelon.
I bought a second 2.2 cubic foot microwave. It's our 6th microwave in the studio.
At least.
There's our latest. We can no longer use it because of reasons. Here's the basic idea. What you see is what you get. I have a microwave, I have a watermelon. I'm going to put the watermelon into a microwave and we're just gonna run it until something happens.
So, much bigger microwave.
Yes.
We've got 3 things we're gonna try today, and
Yes.
you can see them all right here. Eggs, because we've heard eggs can kind of explode in a microwave and that sounds fun. We've got some avocados because I saw like a post of a repost of a tweet or something like that. Said putting an avocado in the microwave to soften it obviously didn't seem like my best idea, but I can honestly say I did not expect it to burst into flames. So yeah, we've got this smaller watermelon, which I think we'll cut in half and try putting half a watermelon in and see if that does anything. And then we'll do the fully sealed watermelon and see what that does. So this microwave may not survive, and then we may move on to microwave number 7. Let's start with eggs.
So we have blocked the hole that we have cut through the microwave, and it's covered with a phone. We're gonna see if this works. So I honestly am gonna set it for 5 minutes. I'm not going to let it run for 5 minutes. It's just until something happens.
I hear noises.
It cracked, I think, maybe.
Yep, it exploded. So it took about 30 seconds for the egg to explode.
Oh, it actually cooked it!
Yeah, that is cooked egg yolk right there.
Neat. That was so much louder and happier than I was expecting.
That was exciting right there. Oh, so much egg on the top here. I want to see it if it explodes more. I want to try it to see if it explodes more sideways instead of just up.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Was it cracked just from moving the first time?
The other one cracked before it exploded. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Guys, don't put eggs in the microwave. They really explode. All right, now we've got half an avocado with no pit. Putting it in for 4 minutes again. I think there's some steam floating around in there. It like is momentarily like making the light go a little bit fuzzy.
Like
not
a lot,
bubble
like
in the middle.
Yeah, there's like little fissures. Okay, can we stop it for just a second? I do want to look at that bubble. That is a bubble. And okay, avocado steam may rank as one of the strangest smells I've ever smelled. If you just put in a slice of avocado to smell it, yeah, that's a bubble. Oh, now I see the smoke. We might have a baby flame there. Let's
It's like bubbling. I don't think there's any flames going on. I think let's stop it here.
Okay, I'm gonna let it go just a few more. And the reveal.
All the smoke. Is that what they mean when they say avocado toast?
Yes, we toasted an avocado. Guys, it smells so bad in here.
Oh good, it's worse.
See, I wanted to try some of it. I didn't realize that we made a briquette.
Well, now we've got half an avocado with the pit in it.
good.
And it's set for 4 minutes again. So let's see how this goes.
Okay, well now I'm gonna move. Now I'm scared.
Oh,
Was that
something.
the pit? Wait, that's what the egg did. That's what the egg did before the...
There's like a piece of the pit that like de-shelled.
I'm still nervous and I don't know why. It's just an avocado.
Well, the pit has split open, but it didn't do it violently. It's just like one rotation it came around and I was like, oh, there's a split in it now.
3, 2, 1. It looks like chocolate.
There you go.
Oh, okay, yeah,
Just like
absolutely.
divided itself.
But I think that
And
might
the inside started burning.
be the only burning. Whole avocado.
Whole avocado.
Whole avocado.
Go avocado.
Go.
We have seen some steam, which means pressure could build up. We've seen the seed crack open, which
Yep.
means pressure could build up.
I'm thinking
so
maybe,
it might just pop.
Maybe the seed will pop on the inside and it'll split the skin. How flames were involved?
I'm a little confused on that one. I'm not sure how long she theoretically ran it for or in what condition the avocado was. Again, it could have been sliced or something.
Dear Twitter user, we weren't trying to debunk you. We thought it was hilarious and we believed you.
We were hoping.
Yes.
Lots of smoke,
Yay.
including visible outside the microwave.
I don't see anything from here, but that doesn't mean it's not happening.
7.5 minutes.
Oh, there we go. Now I'm
Okay.
seeing smoke.
And we're about to hit so much smoke we can't see inside the microwave anymore.
Glad all the windows are already open.
That might not be enough.
Oof, it's like a little smoke bomb.
It really is.
I was gonna take it outside, but now I just wanna watch it fill a container full of smoke. This avocado
Just
is toast. Aha!
Just microwave it for 7.5 minutes and then it just starts pouring smoke.
Yeah, nature's smoke bomb.
Want to throw a watermelon in the microwave?
I do, let's go throw a watermelon. Okay, now I am, should we put it out? Nah, it's fine.
So I assume all of the water in the watermelon will heat up approximately evenly and then start steaming, bubbling, boiling.
I would have thought
It may not be all even, but more or less. Water is boiling out. Like
Yeah.
you can see it's flowing off of the watermelon
Yeah.
and there's like a puddle on the plate. I think that's all that we're gonna get with the half watermelon.
Absolutely. So, as we were getting everything ready and prepared, I decided that we should name the watermelon before we sent it off to its inevitable doom. And Nate said, why? I decided that was a great name. All right, guys, we had that set for 20 minutes. Nothing's happened so far, so 15 more minutes. Let's go.
Well, I can definitely hear bubbling noises. Don't really see. Okay, there's like one split right there. But you know, the egg split
Before it exploded, so I think we're just gonna keep it going and see if it does anything more.
That was about a half hour of microwaving a watermelon.
I think at least, honestly.
Oh, it
it's,
smells so bad.
It does smell bad.
Oh no. Oh, gross.
Hot all the way through.
Okay, yep, and
It
it
was
was
boiling. It leaked all over, just like the half watermelon. It just leaked all over. Did not build up enough pressure to really pop, which is a little disappointing. You can see how it's just cooked 2 inches through. Now we know what happens if you put a whole watermelon in the microwave.
Now, we need to end this on a more exciting note.
Well, we've got 8 more eggs. Let's put all of those in at once.
Yes.
lots of cracked eggs now. There you go. Several eggs moved. Okay, steam cleared up. We've got some visibility back. Oh, how dangerous is this?
He asks while we are unprotected. Oh, it's dangerous.
Wow. Don't do that. Great plan.
Guys, we have a new giant microwave, and I think it did pretty well on this one. It's
savable.
alive. We're gonna clean it up. What else do you want to see us throw in it? Let us know in the comments below. Guys, that's not all. You know we've always got more for you to see. Hit that box up at the top for our most recent video, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.